Starting in the summer of 2021, we will begin a brand new series of video workshops on overhauling the rotating part of the Type 1 air-cooled engine. We show some excerpts from this series in this video. You can watch the series for free on our YouTube channel. Looking forward to learning more about overhauling your air-cooled VW engine? Keep an eye on our newsletter for new videos and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can find more information below each video in this series. See you soon.